Your earnings are in your Upwork account, but how do you get them into your pocket? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to withdraw your money quickly and safely. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Withdrawing your funds is a simple process, but understanding the timeline and options is key to managing your cash flow. First, ensure you have a payment method set up, like a bank account or PayPal. Then, go to your Reports tab and select Overview. You'll see your available balance, which is ready for withdrawal. Click the Withdraw button. You'll choose your preferred payment method and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Submit the request, and Upwork will process it. Remember, there is a security period for first-time relationships with new clients, typically 5 days after an hourly contract week ends or a fixed price milestone is approved. After this, funds become available. A crucial pro tip: initiate your withdrawals at the beginning of the week to avoid bank processing delays over the weekend. For direct to US bank transfers, it's free and usually takes 1 to 2 business days. And just like that, you've successfully transferred your freelance income to your personal account. Withdrawing money is the rewarding final step of a completed project. What's your preferred withdrawal method? Direct deposit, PayPal, or something else? Share your choice in the comments. For a popular alternative, watch our next video on how to connect PayPal to Upwork. Thanks for watching.